Okay, good morning, everybody. Today is Friday, October 10th, 2025. You're in the live trading room. Good morning, everybody. I missed you all yesterday morning. Um, and want to thank Keith for taking the session yesterday. I understand you had some good trades yesterday. I did come in the afternoon, just took a couple of quick trades in the afternoon, and just continuing to have a good week, even though our Monday was not great, but coming out the rest of the week very strongly. But it looks like you had some good tradable moments right off the bat yesterday morning. Let me get my drawing tool out here. Nice sell off in the beginning, then some sideways, and then another sell off, and then into a swing high about 10:30 up to about 11. So it looks like you had some tradable moments there yesterday. A lot of back and forth yesterday. I think there was some good trading in the afternoon. I was able to get in on a couple of little swing highs in the afternoon. Market bottomed, got to its low of 607.48 about 1:30, and then started climbing the rest of the afternoon. And triple Q closed at 610.79 yesterday. It's currently sitting at 611.12, just shy of a gap play this morning. So no gap play so far this morning. Could jump up and get up there, although it looks like it's declining at this point. It's like we had some interesting stuff happen at 8 o'clock. Look at the long wicks at 8 and 8:01. Maybe Keith can shine some light on that when we get in. All right, let's head over to the option chain. And we have 1.4458 million traded on the underlying. Today is the 10th. I'm trading the 10th, today's expiration. And we'll likely start at the 610 on the call side, 613 on the put side. But we'll see when we get all this pre-market volume figured into the strike pricing where we'll actually be. But we'll let you know as soon as the session starts and we get that figured in like so. I see Keith has unmuted his mic. Let me let in somebody. Good morning, Keith.
Good morning, Tim. Good morning. Welcome back.
Thank you.
Yeah, I have no idea what the 8 o'clock. There was no report coming out at 8 this morning that moved things, but who knows? Who knows on that one? We will have one of the Fed members speaking at 9:45 today, and then the Michigan Consumer Expectations Index comes out at 10, as well as the Sentiment Index and their 1 year and their 5 year consumer inflation expectations. Still waiting on the September jobs numbers to come out, as well as warehouse numbers did not come out yesterday either because, again, the federal government's closed down. So still waiting on all those numbers from September. And I will be trading today's expiration also. And I don't know that I have anything else. Uh, anyway, yeah, had that one trade that went bad yesterday and came back and was only down 9 cents for the day. So we fought back quite a bit, and I was not able to do any trading in the afternoon to take advantage of any of that. I was busy doing other things. So hopefully we'll get past that and do well today.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, thank you, sir, for the
Yep.
report. And again, thank you for taking yesterday's session. Appreciate that. And let's see. We're coming up on 15 seconds. Make sure you got 20 cents between each of your hash marks. Um, so that we're looking at the same size candles. Stand by. Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There's the bell. We are in. Starting with about 1.655 million traded in pre-market. Now we're in actual session, waiting for our broader indices to come in. Actually, Keith, do you have your eyeballs on the broader indices?
Yeah, the Dow's up 110, Nasdaq's up 28, and S&P's up 8.5.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yep.
That price trying to rise here a bit. Want to welcome our visitors today. We've got several visitors checking us out this morning, kicking the tires on our service. So appreciate you being here. If you have any questions, you can post them in the chat box. I see a note from Carlos saying I can't hear anything.
I can hear you fine.
Yeah, hopefully you can hear us, Carlos. Let me know. Well, if you can't, you can't. You know, so I got price rising here a bit. I hear you now. Okay, great. Good deal.
Up above yesterday's high now.
Okay. All right. So over on the option chain, I'll be at the 611 on the call side and 613 on the put side. And that's just to start out with. May opt to go higher as we go along here, but we'll see. Breaking out here toward the top side. Bring this down. Let's open that up a bit. It's coming back down. It's kind of peaked out here a little bit. SPY has moved up here, upper right chart. That's SPY. It's moving up. My broader indices finally came in. Dow's up 183, Nas up 44, S&P up 14. Price coming down toward VWAP. All right, price continuing to decline here slowly. See if it's going to bounce off of VWAP back up. I'm going to put a pseudo demand zone on the bottom here, I think. The bottom of that first 5-minute candle. Okay.
We had a number of the 1 minute MACDs that were down below zero point 0.5 yesterday,
Hmm.
or minus zero point 0.5.
Hmm. Facts. Volume 100,000 line in again. Yes. So far, everything's above 100,000. So let's keep an eye on that 611 on the call side. It's breaking out here a little bit. Stand by on the 611. I'm going to enter the 611 and I'm in at 220.
Wow, I got terrible fill at 233.
Really? All right. Stand by to take profit. I'm going to go ahead and take profit here and out at 245. Thank you. 220 to 245.
I'm out also at 248.
Oh, nice.
So 15 cents.
Just catch that little breakout there. Very good. It's a quick little trade, but we'll take it. Let's see how we're doing on our MACDs. Yeah, getting a little high on the 1 minute MACD.
Yes, it is.
And we're starting to see a little bit of a price decline go on now. We got 4,017,000 in on the underlying. Dow's up 240 now. Nas up 68. S&P up 21. Price trying to decline here a bit. into a bit of consolidation here. This previous three candles. Let's see if price is going to decline here. If so, we'll keep an eye on the 614 on the put side. Starting to see our 1 minute MACD curl over. Awfully thin candle, that last one. If you just joined us, we've got one good call trade already in. This put direction's a bit tentative. Markets being up as they are, may not be interested in a put trade unless it really starts dropping. Like to see the MACD come down a bit and reset. There, turn my camera on. Just going sideways in consolidation right now, waiting for another breakout.
We have that Fed member speaking right about now.
Ah, there we go. Starting to break out. All right, let's head back to the call side. Go to the 612 on the call side. Stand by. I'm going to go ahead and enter the 612. Come on. It didn't fill me. I'm going to cancel that.
We do have a supply zone in there too.
Ah, We certainly do. I'll get that put in. Red color, more HSV 60. Boom. All right, going back to that 612 on the call side. Let's keep an eye on that.
And MACD is still pretty high, though.
Yeah, it is. All right, so we broke out a little bit at 9:45 and then are in another consolidation pattern. Remember, it's how we generally go. It's from consolidation to breakout to consolidation to breakout. We broke out on the top side that last breakout, and we should continue up, but our MACD is high and it just crossed over into the put side. So we might get some retracement here. Fix that a little bit. All right, let's go over to the put side, and I'm going to go to the 614 on the put side. It's already reached down to VWAP. We'll see if this bounces off of VWAP or if it continues through. It's a pretty good pullback. All right, breaking through VWAP. Trying to anyway. Keep in mind, we consider VWAP a zone, and it's often the most difficult zone to get through. It seems to be pushing through pretty well now.
I try to get in on this 614,
Okay.
filled at 247. I try to take profit here. See if that'll fill. No, pulling back up. Come on.
Should get down to the demand zone.
And it's got yesterday's high between where it is now in the demand zone.
Ah,
Come on, get down there. I have my order in just above yesterday's high. So if it pulls
mm-hmm.
down, it should fill. Come on. Well, it got close. Got within 2 cents. Come on, get down there.
I'm going to keep an eye on the 610 on the call side. There you go.
Come on down. Come on, get down there. Get down there. Come on. You can do it. Come on, get down there.
I'm going to move to the 611 on the call side. 611 strike call. I'm going to enter this 611. And I got filled at 201. Is that the 611? 201? Yep.
Then we got a minute and a half to the pop at the top.
Okay. Stand by to take profit here. I'm going to go ahead and take some profit here. There we go. Out at 212. 201 to 212. Here we got less than 30 till the pop at the top.
Come on down. Come on down.
All right, there's the pop. I'm going to move this demand zone, pseudo demand zone, up to a real demand zone. There we go.
That's it. Come on down. There we go. Come on down.
breaking through the demand zone nicely.
All right, just took profit, 12 cents.
All right,
No, 14 cents. Got a good fill on that.
good deal. Nice little push down there that finished off that trade.
All right, two good trades today.
Yeah,
Had to sweat that one a little bit, but
but it came down and took care of you.
it did.
All right, I'm going to keep an eye on the 611 on the call side. We've got 8,087,000 in on the underlying. Dow's up 144, Nas up 58, S&P up 14.
Did you say you're doing the 611 on the call you're looking at?
Yeah,
Yep.
if it should get turned around. Price just hanging around the demand zone here. Getting some low volume minutes in. Five-minute MACD is converging. 1 minute MACD, of course, crossed under a few minutes ago and is below center line now, too. Price just going through some more consolidation right now. May break out on the bottom end. If it does, I'll be at the 613 on the put side. 613 strike put. It's beginning to show a little bit of a breakout on the top side. Again, if we do end up on the top side, it'll be at the 611. Hmm. Come on, price, take off. Yes, price breaking out a little bit on the top side. See if this can continue. Hard reversal. Yeah, excuse me just a minute. Okay, back. Getting a little breakout here on the bottom side. So
Yeah, trying to go down.
Are you in it?
No.
Okay. Let's go over to the 613 on the put side.
I'm going to try to get in on this.
Are you? Okay.
In at 213.
Okay. Stand by. All right. I'm going to go ahead and jump into this. Right on the reversal.
Come on, get back down there. Come on, back down. Get down there.
Ah. Come on, let's bounce off the demand zone here. right, I'm gonna have to get out of this.
OG,
Hmm.
come on down. Come on down. There we go. Come on down. That's it. Come on down. Keep coming down.
Keeps trying to decline.
Yeah, we can move the demand zone down.
Mm-hmm. Uh,
Come on.
Come on, breakthrough VWAP. Come on down. See, break below the demand zone.
Come on, get down there. Come on, market maker. Fill that warehouse.
All right, we are an hour into the session. We've got 10,760,000 traded on the underlying. Dow's up by 160, Nas up by 51, S&P up by 14. Price kind of orbiting the demand zone right here. We'd like to see this come way down.
Yeah, that's actually an intermediate zone. I moved the demand zone down.
Did you? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Come on down. Price definitely getting stuck at VWAP here. And into some really low volume minutes. That's not helping us.
Yeah, I was just looking at that too.
When we get low volume minutes like this, we tend to just languish along in consolidation until we get a breakout. Well, we do have a doji there.
Yeah. There we go.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, get down through there. Come on, no crazy Ivan. Get
Yeah.
back down there.
Say that. No crazy Ivans. Continue on down.
No
Doji.
doji.
Yeah. Just need to get a sell-off started here.
There we go. You just needed to mention that.
I
Wow.
guess so.
Come on down, get through there.
Keep coming down.
Come on, down, down, down. That's not down.
No, that's not down.
Just a reminder, everybody, Monday is Columbus Day federal holiday, but the markets are open on Monday.
Hmm. Thank you for the reminder. Well, I don't know, Keith.
Yep, I agree.
Well, come on down. Come on down. Come on down. Come on down. Well, we're up, or at least I'm up, two good trades, closed trades up 36 cents on closed trades. Still in this put trade, obviously. This one's taking a while.
We have two trades up 29 cents.
Price is just has just been meandering ever since we got into this trade. It will get some direction eventually.
There, that's the direction we want. Ooh,
Okay.
what is it?
And out.
Nine.
Nice. 277. Holy smokes.
Hang on a second here. Close.
There we go.
Holy smoke.
Yeah.
I'd broken it into pieces to close it. So I was in at 213, got out on one of them at 223. Am I all the way out? No, I still got one more to get out.
Well, you're going to kill it on this one.
And got out at 230 and out at 376 and out at 314.
Nice. Nice.
What the heck happened there?
Well, that worked out. Yeah, I got out at 277, 211 to 277 on that. Wow. I'm not sure what's happened.
President must have said something. I don't know.
Yeah. But I mean, look at the volume. That's crazy. Something's happened. Well, it works out like that sometimes. Anyway,
Mhm.
ending up today up nicely. Very nice.
Yeah, same here. Oh my goodness. So,
Okay, and we are at the top of the hour here in about 8 seconds. So ended up this week very nicely up, and that's going to do it for this week for everything. Thank you guys for hanging out with us and hanging through us through that trade. That was a wild one, um, but price is still going down.
goodness. Huh. Huh. Down below yesterday's low now, too.
Yeah,
Hey, Tim, do you have a second to talk when we're done here?
sure.
Okay, I'll give you a call.
Okay, sounds good. All right, guys, that is it for today. We will see you all Monday. There's still looks like there's room to maybe get into this trade on the put side, but I'd be careful. It's going to bounce back at some point. But something has happened that is just driving prices down like crazy.
Yep. All right, have a good weekend, everybody.
Okay, we'll see you all Monday. Take care, folks.